Hey, what's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be combining two videos showing some of the problems I've been having with a Ruger firearm. I'm a Ruger fan. I have more than one Ruger, so I'm still a fan of the Ruger. But with this particular firearm, the Ruger PC Charge, I've been having some problems, failure to eject and stovepipe problems. Since I bought this firearm in 2020, when Ruger released this PC Charger, the 9mm. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing same issues with the Glock Mags. I never used to use the Glock Mags until someone suggested it. So I would think it would work better with the Ruger Mag since it's a Ruger, but. So in this video, I'm showing me changing to the Glock Mags and doing 2 days of videos. And then I showed the video on a Facebook Ruger group that I'm on. And they suggested that my firearm was dry and needed to be lubed. It didn't need to be lubed. But based on some pictures, they thought it needed to be lubed. So I took it home after the first day, cleaned it and disassembled it and lubed it. And I also showed a video of the area that they thought was causing some issues, that the bolt did not actually contact that area. So you will have two videos back to back. First day issues, showed the video on a Ruger group to see if they had problems with the same firearm. They had issues with how the firearm looked inside of the chamber or the ejection port. Took it home, cleaned it, and lubed it. Took it back, and then you see what happened. Also, both of these are with the Glock magazine, so enjoy the video. My first ever shots through the Ruger PC Charger with Glock Mags. See if it's more reliable. It's not reliable with the Ruger Mags. Let's see what the total is. It's a total of 15 rounds through a total of 20 rounds. Second mag, 10 rounds left in this mag, and I had a stovepipe. So it is not the magazines. It's not the Ruger magazine. It's one stovepipe and 20 rounds. Glock Mags. It's accurate. That's 45 rounds, but it's not reliable. Back for the day 2 follow-up on the mags, on the Glock Mags and the PC Charger. And we'll see what happened. First mag number 3, which will be 45 rounds total if it's successful. Not successful. I don't know the count on that one. Do have a double feed attack and a failure to eject. Disassembled the firearm and re-lubed it, and that was total of 35 rounds. I put a bead of oil on that back wall that some people were claiming was a dry firearm. And I will cycle the slide. And then I will lock it again to the rear. Try to do it with one hand. And as you can see, the bolt or nothing made contact with that area. So the assumption that the firearm was not lubricated is inaccurate. That there was metal to metal contact with dry metal is inaccurate.